So we just finished the day one refurbishment. Starting from the left, we've changed cabin filter, air filter. We've cleaned out and thoroughly done the mass airflow sensor, everything in the throttle body system. The throttle body had a lot of carbon buildup on the edges. All that's been removed. Every clip, everything inside has been changed to a hose clamp or a new cable. Moving on, the brake booster had problems. We replaced all the brake booster valves with all new 5 psi holding valve and all new original plastic piping. We've also mounted the transmission cooler, which is down there, removed the original water-based one, and we've now mounted the brand new transmission cooler in the front. We've also done a full transmission service with filter fluid change, and we've redone our gasket on the transmission. We've gone through everything head to toe mechanically on the 2003 Rialta.